Well, so Dr. Gerson tried, to make a long story short, Dr. Gerson tried an elimination diet, a simple elimination diet. He started out eating nothing but apples, and applesauce, and fresh apples, and apple dumplings, and just apple everything, and to see whether that would influence his migraines.
Torej, dr. Gerson je začel z dieto eliminacije, ne vem, kakšna je bila slovenska beseda ta prava za to, izločanja, hvala lepa, in je začel z jabolki, torej jedel je jabolka, izdelke iz jabolka in je probal ugotoviti, ali bo to vplivalo na njegovo migreno.
And sure enough, oddly enough, he did not get any migraines as long as he was eating just apples. And he said, aha, look at that. And then he tried, he reasoned, even babies can digest milk. And then for the next week, he tried just eating dairy products. Milk and cheese and yogurt and pot cheese and all kinds of milk products.
Torej, ko je ugotovil, da jabolka pomagajo, če samo je jabolka, nima migrene, je šel korak naprej in si mislil, celo otročiči lahko uživajo mleko, bom še jaz probal z mlekom, in potem je naslednji teden je jedel užival samo mleko in mlečne izdelke, vključno z jogurtom, sirom in podobno.
And the migraines returned unabated, just as they were before. And so he said, aha, let's think about this. Babies can eat milk. These little sensitive beasties can eat milk. But babies, as well as all other mammals, don't eat milk or milk products after they are weaned. They're no longer suckling when they're
Torej, ko je začel uživati tisti teden mleko in mlečne produkte, so se migrene takoj spet pojavile. In je sklepal na sledeč način, rekel je, sicer lahko dojenčki mleko uživajo, vendar ne dojenčki, potem ko jih ne dojijo več, ne ostali sesalci, potem po tem obdobju mleka ne uživajo več.
And so he said, okay, perhaps there's some reason for this. Perhaps there's some reason for this. And he looked at every other animal, every other mammal on Earth, and no other mammal other than us eats milk after they're weaned. We are the only ones because of our big brains.
Ker imamo velike možgane, smo mi edini sesalci, ki pa uživamo mleko tudi po tistem, ko se dojenje neha. On je to preveril, ali kjerkoli, kakršnekoli drugi živali, kakršnekoli drugi sesalci dejansko uživajo mleko po tistem in je gotovo, da temu ni tako.
So now with these two foods, he had the beginnings of two lists. He had one list that had one item on it that said foods which don't cause me migraines. And he had another list with just milk on it that says foods which do cause me migraines. And he started listing foods, and he started adding one at a time, adding foods over the next 2 years until he had two long lists of foods, one of which were migraine foods and one of which were no migraine foods.
Torej, na ta način je nadaljeval, kot je začel z jabolki in z mlekom mlečnimi izdelki. Po 2 letih je imel celo 2 dolgi listi, na eni strani tisti izdelki oziroma tista hrana, ki ni povzročala migrene, in na drugi listi hrana, ki je migreno povzročala.
And as long as he stayed on the list of the non-migraine foods, he was fine. He didn't have any more migraines. It was only if he cheated, and who was he cheating? He was cheating himself. It's only if he cheated and ate off of that list, his migraines would return immediately and viciously.
Torej, ugotovil je, dokler se drži tistega seznama, kjer je hrana, ki ne povzroča migrene, je bilo vse v redu. Čim pa je malo pogolfal je potem seveda samega sebe, so se migrene spet pojavile.
Well, he was ecstatic. He had 2 lists of food. He had, as long as he stayed on the right side of his lists, he had no more migraines. He was not troubled with migraines anymore. So, when he went out into private practice, some years later, and he was a nerve and internal medicine doctor, and people would come to him with migraines. And he would say, well, I don't know if this will work for you, but here are my lists. If you eat these and don't eat these, your migraines will go away.
Torej, ko je čez čas začel prakticirati kot zdravnik in je imel lastno prakso, bil je za interno medicino in za živčni sistem doktor in ko so prihajali k njemu pacienti, so nekateri imeli migreno in je rekel, jaz sicer ne vem, kaj je uradno zdravilo za migreno, ampak lahko vam povem, da imam tukaj dva seznama, eden seznam živil, v katerih ne dobite migrene in drugi seznam živil, če jih uživate migreno.